How to fix a printer. Plug it in. Okay. Turn it on. Snag. Print. Oh. Printer error. Try again. Okay. Doesn't seem to be working. Restart printer. Alright, so let's restart it. Nothing. Coloured ink is low. Oh dear. Alright, let's put a new ink cartridge in. Let's see. Nothing again. It's too high now. I'll drink some of the ink. Oh god. Ugh. Ugh. Different colours now. The noise though. Print again. What noise? Oh, it's set on fire. You run over it in the car. Jesus. Jesus Christ. Alright, throw it in the bucket. The gunpowder and the... Oh wow. Burn it to smithereens. Wow. Rest in peace, printer. 2021 to 2021. Yeah, I don't think that's gonna work. Wait, it might. It might work. Wait, it's working. What's the heck? Yeah, looks very similar. Pretty much identical. Oh.